how it felt on our first day together. A two-top at a coffee shop, we were both wishing we could stay forever. 2 minutes in, you wearing that grin, laughing at a joke I said. We were falling in love over our heads. Your parents' place last October, the air was growing colder. My arms around your shoulders, nothing could bring us down. Staring up at the mountain sky, watching the sun getting way too high. Just wanted to say I miss you, the only way I know how. I still remember all those trips that we both took together, cruising around in your small hometown in that old blue beater that you had forever. That magical night when I saw you cry, surrounded by a million lights, but even they had nothing on your eyes.